Kia Connect gives you access to a broad spectrum of available security, convenience, and safety features. These features may include an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot, access to vehicle diagnostics, and maintenance information. You can contact roadside assistance, and in case of an accident, get immediate assistance via 911 Connect. Other features can include stolen vehicle recovery and vehicle immobilization, valet mode, and weather. To activate Kia Connect, from the infotainment system home screen, press Setup and Data Network. In Kia Connect, press Activate Service, then Activate. Read the terms of service and agree. Enter your phone number or email address to receive a verification code. Press OK, then press Submit. Then on your smartphone, click the link provided via text message or email. This will take you to the activation page where you'll be instructed to create a new account. If you already have an account, enter the password to log in, or enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, account password, and click Create Account. A page will open displaying your verification code. Enter the code in the infotainment system, and then click Submit. And click OK again. On your phone, go back to the page with your verification code and press I have entered my verification code. A link will be provided to download the Kia Access app from your App Store. After installing the Kia Access app, log in to access the Kia Connect features. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!